Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you lot are having a lovely day, evening or night or morning. I hope you're all subscribed. If you're not subscribed, the subscribe button is going to be red, whereas if you are subscribed, it's going to be grey. And please press the bell so you're alerted for every time I make a new video, because I've got videos coming out daily on the top beauty tips that you do not want to miss. So today's tutorial is going to be on the anti-aging Collagen Hydrogel eye patch. Okay, this is what is going to be on, and these are basically for under your eyes, and they're very beneficial. And I'm just going to read out the few things that are that you actually do need to know about, and why these are quite beneficial for your under eyes is because they have a lot of essential nutrients, vitamins, and it helps to brighten and reduce puffiness, and they contain caffeine, and it reduces fine lines and wrinkles and strengthens the delicate under eye of the skin. Now, I've also got these here because these are some of my my new purchases. This is a manicure set and is a 6-pack, and basically this is what my tutorial tomorrow is going to be on, so this is something that you don't want to miss. And I've got the whole kit here, the whole kit for my manicure tomorrow. So guys, please tune in tomorrow, and please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my lovely videos. Right, let's get back on topic. So what I'm going to do, let me use my iPad because I don't want to move my mirror. No. So guys, I'm going to start off with the mask, and the reason why I'm using my iPad is because I don't want to use this mirror here. Show them the mirror. I don't want to take it out of the plate. I don't want to move it, guys. It's already in like a set place and I don't want to ruin it. So what I'm going to start off by doing, before I apply the eye patch, I'm going to apply Simply. I'm going to use Simply wipes on my face to just remove all the dirt from my face. Oh. And guys, I haven't been out today. I've literally just woke up, had my shower and so forth, but it's still beneficial to just run a cleansing wipe over your face to just get the skin revived and just get the pores open. I always use 2 because I'm extra like that. Okay. So now, so this is what they look like. Focus it a bit more on the products. Focus it on the products, not. Oh, guys. Guys, sorry, guys. I'm so like, guys, I'm just like so excited. I'm so excited to use these. Right, so this is what they look like. As you can see, there's a lot of like liquid inside, so it doesn't dry out. I love the packaging. I love the packaging. So, ooh. 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 Oh, sorry guys, it's literally slipping out. Only me. Only I would do something like that. I hope this is for the right eye. And guys, it's so cold. It's basically just like really refreshing. Take my word on it. Really refreshing. Ooh. And it's so slippery. I feel like I'm trying to like get my fish out of this fish bowl to change the water. Oh. And guys, what you can do, you can just work the product in and just relax. Just relax with it on your face. Do your cooking, do your cleaning, read a book, work from home. Just relax. Take life easy. And guys, as I said again, this is so beneficial. Like, even if you don't have like wrinkles or fine lines, it's just gonna make underneath your eye, oh gosh, it's just gonna make underneath your eye just look a bit more bright, and you're just gonna look more awake. Basically, you're just gonna look more awake. And right, so online I'm just looking at like the best eye patch, the best patches basically for the under eye, and it's got quite a lot of brands here, but it's up to you what brand you want to use. You can use Mariah Carey, there's loads of brands out there, and you know, this is the brand that I'm using, and guys, it's working for me, it's doing its job. So yeah guys, purchase, go and order one, purchase one of these eye patches, and just really take care of your skin and just enhance your beauty both inside and out. And just remember to like, comment and subscribe.